now. We like Mr. Right. I love my kissing and touching. None of that. No, sir. Okay, guys. I think I left the dust bag upstairs. Well, I'm tired of running up and down the stairs. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the last video. I need lotion, of course. Okay. So many catastrophes happened before press and record. Welcome to the last video for the month of luxury for June. As you guys would have noticed, I had so many more videos this month because I heard you. May was the first month that I started with my new schedule and you all didn't like it. So, I mean, we're not going back to 2 videos a week, but for the month of June, aka my birthday month, I wanted to do something special for you all. So we have done the month of luxury. I've shared a luxury fun tag, kind of going through my luxury journey, how I started acquiring bags, mistakes I've made. I included some really super cute pictures of myself as a child holding a bag, or toting a bag rather, because I've always been a bag girl. I've shared my entire SLG collection. I've shown you guys a small peek into my luxury handbag collection, showcasing my favorite handbags, which so many of those bags you guys had never seen before. I feel like we had so many fun videos. I had you all's favorite and my favorite back on the channel. My friend Dominique, we actually did a fragrance video of our most complimented luxury and niche fragrances. And we also did like a vlog style type of video because at the end of our video, he had so much to say and I was like, this video is already 30 minutes, so let me just do like a mini vlog. So that was fun. I had a collab with HSN. Like, so many amazing things happened this month, but I did want to give you guys a little more videos because it's a special month. We're celebrating, well, my anniversary anyway, and so I wanted to do special things for you all. So I figured, what better way to round out the month of luxury than with a luxury haul? I stopped doing luxury hauls probably 2 years ago just because it didn't make me feel comfortable to just get on my channel and say, look at all the things I bought. Not that I have a boastful personality, but I didn't see a point in it. I still don't think it's super beneficial unless it's a review, but like I said, I wanted to do something special. So this month we have a summer luxury haul and these are all summer bags. So if you guys would like to see a luxury haul with some yummy, juicy items for summer, then please keep watching. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know you guys say you love hauls, so hopefully this will give you guys a little of what you wanted this month. The first bag we're gonna start with, I think this was what I received for my birthday. I had a birthday getaway party that was so much fun. I'll talk about it more in my June favorites next month, but my theme was Keiko's Hoedown. It was cowgirl theme basically, but like luxury style. So we had a whole house, a ranch on like 88 acres with a pool and a guest house, and it was just so amazing. And I got a cool disco cowgirl hat. I mean, it was literally such a fabulous affair, and I never really have like I mean, it still wasn't technically like a party, but like for me it was. So that was so fun. So this gift kind of goes in line with that, from none other than Chloe, not my little baby Shih Tzu, the actual designer. And this is actually, I do have other Chloe bags, never mind. But this is something that had been on my wish list for probably a decade. You all know all the bags you're gonna see today, they're kind of fun and different. None of them are super popular, I would say. I pretty much have a well-rounded handbag collection, I think. So I love unique bags, and this is a bag that came out a really long time ago. I don't know if they still sell this bag. They probably do, but I have always wanted it because it was so chic and different. So let's get into this baby. It is from Chloe and it is the Chloe Marcy saddle bag. Obviously I had a ranch themed birthday, so how fitting was it to get a Chloe saddle for the ranch, for the cowgirl in me that I like didn't know I had. But also this is a bag that I have loved for probably a decade. And how beautiful are these little grommets on the front. I'd actually never seen this style before. This was actually a gift, so I didn't pick it out, but it is quite perfect. It's so interesting because I have seen this bag in person, but I always thought I wanted the medium size. But those who buy me things, they know me more than myself, obviously, because this person picked this bag out for me and it is perfect. You have your saddle shape in the front. You have this, does it have a magnetic closure? I don't think so, but you open it like so, and it actually has a long crossbody strap. And inside you have one side pocket on the back, like a flat slit pocket, and it is lined in a linen material. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and there's a flat pocket on the front. I love this baby so much. Let's see. I'm sure I could put these through here. Maybe not. Okay, let me not break anything, but this is the bag, the Chloe saddle bag, the Marcy saddle bag. Such a fun baby for summer, like literally what I have on now. I love this because it's a classically chic piece, but it's so different with the brass grommets. I had never seen this bag before, this style. This is the traditional Chloe kind of cognac color. I'm not sure of the exact name, but I will put it across the screen if I can find it. The crossbody strap is adjustable and I wear it on the longest strap. You guys, I never thought I would have this bag because every time I looked for this bag, I was looking for a medium, which are hard to come by, but now I understand because they are probably way too big. This is the perfect size bag, how it is kind of in relation to my head. This is just the perfect size bag. It's perfect for all seasons, I think. Just a great grab and go type of bag. You all know that I'm not too much into crossbody bags, so it has to be something very interesting, and this is definitely my cup of tea. I love this so much and I'm so happy to have this. Such a nostalgic piece to me. I remember when I first spotted this bag, I was like, that is so cool. I just love the intricate stitching. I mean, Chloe really makes beautiful handbags that I think are very underrated. I also have a Chloe Faye bag and just the quality on that is immaculate. I don't wear it too much, but this is definitely one that I can get more wear out of because I can literally take it with me everywhere, at least casually. But the leather is just buttery soft and smooth, and she is just so gorgeous. So that is my first Chloe bag, and I'm just gonna put her back how she belongs so I don't mess anything up. And if you are a plus size woman or man, is this called the small or the mini? I'll put the dimensions across the screen, but this does fit worn crossbody on me, and I'm about a plus size 16 right now. So that's our first baby. My next handbag is also from Chloe. I actually picked this up a while ago and I just never shared it with you all, but I picked this bag up for summer because it screamed summer. And when you see it, you're gonna be like, yeah, clearly this just is your thing. So the second Chloe bag that I got is the Chloe Marcy with the raffia. You all, like, this just makes me so happy. I will show you guys a comparison after I walk you through this bag. So basically this is the traditional Chloe Marcy saddle bag in the size small, I believe, but you have raffia, which is this material in the back, and you also have red leather. Now this is kind of like a vermilion leather. It's so beautiful. It's like a red orange. So once again, you have, oh, that's how that's supposed to go. Now I know how to do my other one. Okay. You have your same beautiful stitching on the front. The only other difference is that this bag doesn't have the brass grommets, but you have that red leather piping on the side, and you have that raffia at back. Okay, so when you open this bag, and this is how the straps, the leather pulls actually go. When you open this bag, it's the same basic design, except because this is a raffia bag, you have no pockets. And I actually purchased this bag and never wore it. So here are the tags still inside. Basically, it is the same exact bag as what I just showed you in a summer version. And if you guys watched my Miami vlogs last year, you'll remember when I went to Saks Off 5th and I saw this bag for the first time, and it was in that brown leather, and I was like, should I get it? But I think it was way overpriced. I picked this bag up for like 320 bucks. Actually, I think it was even cheaper than that. I think I picked it up for like $2.86 because it was 20% off. So your girl loves a classic with a little flair. I love a deal. So this is basically my Chloe Marcy saddle for vacation. Hopefully I can go on some vacations this year. And if so, this will be the perfect crossbody vacation bag because it's just a little more fun. Okay, so here are the two bags. Oh, okay. All along, I thought these bags were the same size. They are not. So I'll put the exact name and size of the cognac one, but it's definitely smaller than the red or vermilion leather and raffia one. I would say the leather one is a bit wider while the raffia one is more slim, but that could also be just because this is a more forgiving, that raffia is not as structured as the leather. So this is the size difference. A big difference for sure. I don't know why I thought they were the same bag. I have both of them. I love them. When I received this bag for my birthday, I was like, oh my goodness, it's the exact bag I wanted, because that's how I found this one. Like I said, in Miami, I always loved the way this bag looked, but I had never seen this one. So now I have a fun summer version, and then I have the classic that I have always wanted. These two Chloe Marcy saddle bags, love them, both for different reasons, even though they are technically the same bag. I hope you enjoyed this fun summer haul. I can't promise I'll be doing any more hauls on my channel. It's just not really my thing anymore, but I hope that this was a fun little surprise and maybe gave you something to think about for your own handbag collection or just bags that you might like. I'm really into fun, interesting bags, and these are that for me. Love them. I will link these bags down below. If I can find those Chloe bags, I'll link them as well. If not, I'll just link the exact style, maybe not the same with the grommets and the color. But I hope you guys enjoy. Leave any comments and questions you guys have down below. I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video next month. I hope you guys enjoyed the month of luxury. This was so fun on my channel, and I also hope you enjoyed the overload of videos now that I wasn't giving you one video a week. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your love and support this month. Thank you for supporting the month of luxury on my channel. Yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you next month. Bye.